Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin with opening settings. Following that, you need to click on More Connection Settings and select Print. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away or choose Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now click on one of your services. I will go with HP1 and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!